Hello! This video will show you how to use a basic search for U.S. businesses on RefUSA. To access RefUSA, you'll need an OCPublicLibraries card, which is free for California residents. Once you have a library card, you'll go to the website ocpl.org and select eLibrary. Scroll to the Business section and click on RefUSA. You'll be asked for your library card number and PIN or password. It's free to get a library card number, and you can stop by your local library or fill out the application online. If you don't remember your PIN or your password, you can call your local library to get that information. Click to continue to RefUSA. RefUSA has 10 databases you can use: U.S. businesses, U.S. historical businesses, Canadian businesses, U.S. jobs internship, U.S. new businesses, U.S. healthcare, U.S. standard white pages, U.S. consumers lifestyles, Canadian white pages, and U.S. new movers homeowners. This video will just focus on U.S. businesses, but the basic search options will be similar for all databases. When you select U.S. businesses, the default search screen is Quick Search or a basic search. This search works best if you know specific details, like business name, phone number, or executive name. You can also search for government agencies and departments, like OC Animal Care or the FBI. For example, if you type Starbucks in the company name field and click View Results, you'll see a listing for every Starbucks location in the United States, as well as the corporate offices. Some will have more information, like executive name, than others. If you select a few of these businesses, like the first 3 that have executive names, and click Download, you can select your file format, as well as how much information you'd like just the summary, have all of the data, or a customized selection of fields to export. And you can either download to your computer or email the records to yourself. You can also print those selected businesses. And again, you can do just a summary, have all the data, or a customized selection of data to print. And you can save this search by creating an account, which is free with your library card. And if you view the summary, you can break it down by SIC code, NAICS code, sales volume, employee size, then also show the geography breakdown. Let's unselect these businesses. And then if you click on the icon under Corporate Tree, RefUSA will sort all the listings by the main corporation location, whether it's a public or private company, and then it'll sort the branches and subsidiaries. This view will also show the number of employees and the sales volume. Let's click on the Starbucks for Rock Springs, Wyoming. Under this view, you can see the address, any job listings listed by Indeed, as well as the industry profile, which will include the SIC codes, NAICS codes, and any franchise information. And then there'll be more business demographics and any sales volume, employee sizes, etc. We can click the Back to Top link to quickly go back to the top of the information. Again, if you click Download this file, you can select your file format type, as well as the level of detail. Let's start a new search. And let's search for the executive name, Elon Musk. You will see similar results using this type of search. The results show 6 companies, 5 of them are part of a corporate tree. You can also use the blue up and down arrows to navigate the corporate tree. Using the up arrows, we'll show the top of the corporate tree. And if we go back and then use a down arrow, it will show the individual listings for the entire corporation. This is different than using the corporate tree link in that it doesn't put the results in a hierarchical order or list if the companies are private, public, branches, or subsidiaries. You can still click on the corporate tree icon to see that information. Let's go back. And we'll go back again to the original search. Let's select 2 of our options. And then if we select one of the company's names, we can quickly compare just those 2. But if we go back, we can see all of the results. RefUSA also offers regular webinars for searching, entrepreneurship, and job seeking. You can also contact your local OC Public Library for more help.